Meaning of enfant terrible.
Enfant terrible.
Enfant terrible.
Enfant terrible.
Enfant terrible. Enfant terrible is a French expression that is used to describe someone who is notorious for their shocking or unconventional behavior, particularly if they are young and talented. This term often implies that the individual in question is capable of producing highly original and innovative work, but may also be prone to controversy, rebellion, or causing offense. In essence, an enfant terrible is seen as a disruptive force within their field, challenging traditional norms and expectations while simultaneously pushing boundaries and creating new ones.